fellow YouTubers. Welcome back to Hungry Girl Eats channel. This is her daughter Lee. Today I am making some homemade ramen soup. Just making my version I found on Pinterest. So I have some miso broth and some ramen broth that I bought from Walmart, some carrots, ginger, some udon noodles. Those are the big fat noodles. I like the big noodles. Bok choy, cucumber. My mom says it's pretty good with the cucumber, so I got that. Thinly sliced an onion, garlic, lemon for a wedge, and some green onions. That's what I like to put in mine, and we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully it turns out good. You guys, so far I have my broth going from from the broth containers that I showed you, the miso and the ramen broth. You can get your own or you can make it. It's up to you. I am a mother of four, so quick and easy is my go-to, you know. And then, so I got my broth started, and I also got my chicken started. There's my broth. I have some ginger in there and some green onion. The white part of the green onion, I saved the green part for garnish later. And I have my chicken going, and I'm going to put the garlic in there now in my broth. I love garlic. Garlic keeps the bugs away, so I always put a lot of garlic in whatever I cook. And now I'm going to cut up my cucumber, my serrano pepper, my onion, and my bok choy. I'm going to saute that for about 10-15 minutes, probably just 10 minutes, just so they're a little bit soft. And then I'll come back and we'll start putting the thing together. I'm just waiting on my noodles, but so far I have my chicken, my my yellow onion, my bell peppers, green onions, my vegetables that I sauteed, the carrots and bok choy, and then I have a wedge of lime. This is my favorite, the noritomi rice seasoning, so I put a little bit of that on there. Just sitting here waiting for my noodles. Alright, my fellow YouTubers, here's the finishing look. Now, I like a lot of spice, well, a little bit of spice, and I know I put a little serrano in there, but my mom left some of this 2 times hot. I put a little bit in there, just a little bit. I didn't put too much. A little. See? Like this. Okay. My allergies been acting up lately anyway, so. This is really good. Homemade, y'all. Homemade. I went and bought all this. Whew. The cucumber definitely does give it a different taste. Nice little crunch, extra crunch in there. Ooh. Yeah, about my allergies, but this spice, not when you eating some that's hot, but it keeps calling you back, like you gotta have some more. Like, come on, you gotta taste it. You gotta have some more. That's it. This is good, though. This is really good. Yay! I mean, this is what I found on Pinterest. Pinterest is my best friend. For any of you single moms out there, or just single period, or even just busy as ever, Pinterest will be your best friend as well. Pinterest. So, this is my version of the ramen, and I just basically made a noodle soup. You know, we good in here too. Some mushrooms. My boyfriend's not a fan of mushrooms, so I didn't get any. Also, what would be good in here is some nori, some sliced nori. Oh my gosh, y'all. This whole packet. I'm loving this. I am loving this. So, thank you guys for joining us today for this homemade, I don't want to say the wrong words, because everybody's so sensitive when it comes to their culture and everything, which I don't blame, but I just made a really good island soup. Very good. Thank you for joining. Subscribe. Put that notification signal on. Man. Sorry, y'all. Bye. Thanks for joining.